Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to upload more than 50 seconds shorts video on YouTube. Follow these easy steps to easily upload more than 15 seconds, or you can upload 60 seconds short video on your YouTube. Go to your YouTube app and now make sure to sign into your account and then tap on this plus icon at the bottom and select short. And here, before capturing or uploading a video, look at this top right corner. Here we can see by default 15 seconds selected. So if you want to upload a short more than 15 seconds, you have to enable 60 seconds. So tap on 15 seconds and here we can see I've successfully selected 60 seconds. And now I can easily capture a short more than up to 50 seconds, or I can easily go into my profile and here I can easily select a video more than 60 seconds. And here we can see it's at date. Now I'm tapping on done and it may take some time to upload the video here. So this is how we can actually upload more than 15 seconds short video on our YouTube. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.